Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Taxes.
What does the dictionary say?
A compulsory contribution to state revenue, levied by the government on income and business profits, or added to the cost of some goods, services, and transactions.
Math rap.
Taxes are collected on so many things like salaries, video games, and diamond rings. And when all of the tax collecting is done, that money is used to make the country run.
Math rap.
Taxes on salaries? Yep. When you get paid at your job, you're taxed on the money you make. If the income tax was 17%, how much would you pay in income tax if you made $56,500 in a year? Explain taxes in your own words. Taxes is a game of percentages. If I purchase the following items, what would be the new price for each if the sales tax was at 13%? Shoes, $42.32. Burger, $5.15. A laptop, $698.99. A pillow, $2.47. What would the total bill be including the 13% sales tax? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!